Now that you know the basic editing for your invite, it's time for step 2, adjusting the timing of animation. Click on the element you want to adjust the timing of and slide its start and end in the animation panel. Do this same process to any other texts or images you wish to edit, while being mindful of the order when elements should animate in the entire video. Note that animated elements that appear closer to the edge of the panel will play first in the video, so time the rest of your video with this in mind. If you need to replace an image, simply click on it and hit Delete key in your keyboard. Then on the Elements tab, type the specific element you are after in the search window. It will bring in Canva's selection of stock graphics, videos, and photos and audio. Once you have made your selection, click on it and will appear in your invitation. Adjust the size and move it where you want it to appear on the page. If you need to apply animation to the new element, simply click on Animate. Select from the various animations available, then adjust animation timing, both on enter or on exit. If you are editing on your mobile phone, scroll right on the menu bar on the bottom of your screen and tap Animate. Now that you know how to replace an image, apply animation and adjust the timing. You may want to change the default audio too. Find out how to do it in our next video. Step 3. Changing the audio. Thanks for watching.